my ummah, he will say, Rasulullah on that day. Even though we strayed from him and his way. This is just me and you. This is intimate. This is a one-to-one. My brothers, my sisters in Islam, let's struggle, work and pray. If we are to bring back the glory of his way. Together, me and you. Bismillah. Ya Allah, Ya Rabb al-Alameen, Ya Rahmanu, Ya Rahim, Ya Rabbi, let the Ummah rise, Ya Allah. No, this is unacceptable. 3, 4. Ya Allah, Ya Rabbal. Yes. Ya Rahmanu. Ya. Let the Ummah rise up one more time louder. Ya Allah. Louder. Ya Rahman. Ya. Oh, let the Ummah rise again. Let us see daylight again. Once again. Once again. Thank you.